Please do not listen to everyone that says Etsy is a passive income stream, it's easy or that it's quick, because that is not true most of the time. Hi, I'm Aurora and I opened my Etsy shop at the end of 2023 and my goal is to make Etsy my full-time income. I know I have not shown my face for quite some time now, but my life has been kind of a wreck right now. I think you'll be able to understand that better in the next few videos. But I really had to prioritize my mental health these past few months, hence why you've not seen me recently. I still want to update you guys on what happened with my Etsy journey, so we're gonna just get to it right now. This month I made 114 orders for a total revenue of 596.38 euros. The orders were still really inconsistent, as you can see, but I'm guessing at this point this could be normal, honestly. But yeah, they are not growing linearly. One thing I did want to note is that the visits grew compared to last month, but my revenue didn't. Actually, it was a little bit lower. I got two theories on why this might be happening. Either it's me who did something wrong, and I honestly sat myself and started thinking about what I may have done differently compared to last month. And the only thing I could come up with is I was not super consistent with posting 3 times a day. In August, I went away 3 full weeks and I was determined to not be on my laptop and working for all of my holidays. Let me tell you, I actually thought this was going to be a lot easier. I was organized to the T. I had all of my things to do each day, and yeah, it was not as easy as I thought. So I ended up missing a few days here and there. While I think this actually affected my shop this month, and I think it proved how really important it is to post a lot of listings consistently for quick growth, I also think that summer in general is not such a great season for Etsy. At least not for my shop. I've heard tons of people complaining about this, so I think it must be true. While I'm so grateful for this journey, let me show you why I don't think my shop did really well this month. Here's my cute spreadsheet as always, and you can see as of today I have 245 active listings, which means I published 58 listings this month. It's not that bad. As I explained before, I missed a few days. I was supposed to publish like 93, I think. So yeah, I was not very consistent and it did show. Visits grew a little bit, but nothing compared to last month growth. As you can see, from 1,000 to almost 3,000, and in here is 3,000 to 3,000 and a half, something like that. But what is actually worse is that my total orders were definitely not up to speed. I just got 3 more orders compared to last month, and most of them were pretty little since the total revenue is actually lower. I also have to say that last month I got a lot of orders from ads. I think it was 30 or 40 orders from ads on June, while in July I only made 12 orders from ads, which means my organic sales still grew a little bit, but as you can see, not as much as I hoped. I know you already picked from my spreadsheet, but yeah, I guess we'll just better talk about it. This month I was pretty shaken by ads. If you know me, you know that I think an aggressive ad strategy, it's very important in your first few months to get your shop to take off, basically. I can guarantee it's an investment, meaning I know that with such a small shop and with me still learning, investing in ads and being aggressive with it means losing money. So what I decided to do is I wanted to try and be even more aggressive than I was already being to prove a point. So let's see what actually happened. You can see I increased my daily budget to $10 a day at the beginning of the month. It may not sound like a lot, but I still don't make $10 in profit every single day consistently. Actually, there are some days that I don't even make $10 in revenue. So technically, my base does not make $10 to spend in ads every single day. That is why it's risky, because it's possible that I have to use money out of my own pockets. As you can see, on the 6th, I dropped to like $7 a day, then on 5, and I continued with $5 a day for like a little bit over a week. After that, I drastically reduced to $1, which it's still my current budget, and I think it will stay like that for August also. I know what you're thinking. If I think it's an investment, why did I do that? I still stand behind my ads opinion. As for now, this is the only information I have. The only experience I've had is really good with ads, but unfortunately I'm going through a rough patch in my life, which basically means I cannot afford to spend my own money on ads. As much as this decision pains me right now, my priority cannot be fueling my shop at this point. Also, I've seen people never run ads for months and still get to a really great and competitive point with their shop. I'm gonna concentrate on trying to improve everything else, and also at this point experiment a little bit. What does it really change if I turn off ads, for example? Of course, this month my ads were not profitable at all. I spent $129.76 and my revenue was only $87.69. Just like that, I already know my ads were not profitable at all. I'm still really trying things out with ads, and I will basically keep you posted. I know this video may not be as inspirational as you want it to be, but it's not like I can tell you guys, do this and do that, and in 3 months you'll be making 10K, guaranteed. Because most of the time, it is not true. The reality is, this is in every way still a business. And it's not easy to run, especially if, like me, you don't have a whole lot of experience. I'm sorry to say that, but I was misled by a lot of people, thinking that if I done and followed their strategies, I would be making 10K a month right now. And while there are some people that tell it how it is, please do not listen to everyone that says it is a passive income stream, it's easy, or that it's quick, because that is not true most of the time. For sure, a lot of other people were able to grow their shop quicker than me, but as I said, I'm still learning everything. I've never had a business. I've never even sold anything to anyone, nor in real life, nor online. So I didn't know anything about this, honestly. I guess all this ramble is to say, do not give up. If you want it to work, it will. Even if it's harder than you expected, or slower, or whatever, it is going to work. If that's what you truly want and you put action in it, you put yourself in it, it is going to work sooner or later. I can promise you that. Let's support each other during this crazy journey that it is trying to make money online. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on Thursday.